Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you can be up to date on our chart analysis videos here on the channel with 42 Vision and you don't miss a single video. So here we are with Rdbx, Redbox Entertainment Inc., and the stock has continued to go lower. Now, based off 42 Vision, it has done a complete transition from the rip area to the dip area. And it's also at a pivotal support level that we need to talk about. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity on our Discord that was mentioned by our Tesla bot. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. It was sent out by our Tesla bot, and the stocks I mentioned this morning gave realistic expectations of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market or have this edge and clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected to our SPY bot, QQQ bot, Tesla bot, and 42 Vision indicators, and you can become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 11:25 a.m. Within the volatility, things started to go into strength, and call options went up 50 to 100% plus within an hour. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge, and you can now obtain it as well. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected to the 42 Vision indicators and our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Rdbx, Redbox Entertainment Inc., and as I stated earlier in the video, it's done a complete transition from the rip area to the dip area. And we also have some data points to share here that I shared last week, an updated version of what it's showing today. As you see it popping up on the screen, the days to cover was a concern of mine last week, right? And here we are with it going from 0.14. And if you look at that same screenshot, the short interest has not changed. It's still above 200% based off this data. And on this second screenshot, you could see the days to cover has gone down from 0.14 to 0.10. And the short interest is still above 200%. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below on this. We're going to start covering here what we're going to look at here in the charts and what support and resistance to look at. I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So Rdbx wasn't under a bear indicator. It was pulling downwards in yesterday's video, and I stated I will be watching on the 30-minute if a bear indicator popped up. The 4-hour was still under a bull indicator, the 30-minute as well at the time of the recording, and it was pulling downwards. It was at these 3 bars right here up to the first red bar and the dark green and bright green where we were doing the video. And I stated I needed to watch this carefully, and I was emphasizing how important it was. And I even pulled up the 15-minute so everyone can see that a bear indicator did pop up, but not just yet on the 30-minute. And that's where it became significant if it rolled over, because it was the first bear indicator that we saw in 3 days. And especially since last week's squeeze into Monday's squeeze that was pretty strong, which was yesterday, in the last 2 days and 3 trading days. But the 30-minute was still looking pretty strong after breaking out from this consolidation. And towards the end of the day, it did get a bear indicator, and that rolled over into today. And that 30-minute, and not just that 30-minute, but that 15-minute bear indicator was holding strong in the direction of where things were looking to go, which was down in the last 2 days. Does this mean the squeeze is over or destroyed? Well, based off the screenshots and the data that I've shown you from last week to this week, unless this is delayed, it does not show any covering. And if there was some covering, that means that we would go higher, not go lower. So either this is profit taking from any traders or shorts doubling down, and that information is not up to date, and it's supposed to be even higher than 209%. And I'm going to pull them up here again so you could see both of them. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. What other data do you see on days to cover and total short interest of the float? 200% is still pretty wild, right? Huge, large numbers. But we need to talk about the charts because we are at a pivotal level here based off support and resistance, right? We're under a bear indicator on the 30-minute. If I pull up the 4-hour, it is under a bear indicator as well since today in the pre-market. So not only did the 30-minute, the 15-minute get a bear indicator, but now we have our first bear indicator on the 4-hour, guys. The stock is going to need to find support here. If not, it may start to see even newer lows. And that's what we're going to cover on the 30-minute. But 4-hour has a bear indicator, 30-minute has a bear indicator, and the 1-day has now shifted into its first red bar. And this is happening really fast. I mean, if you do the math from $18 to $10 and even the lows here of almost $9, that is a 50% downtrend, okay? Downturn in just 2 days from yesterday's high to today's low. This is a lot of movement, a lot of volatility, and we need to see if this is going to turn out to still hold this bull indicator on the 1-day in the bigger picture, or the bear indicator from the 4-hour rolls over into the 1-day, pulling it down with it, and the 15 and 30-minute have rolled over into the 4-hour. So the 4-hour could roll over into the 1-day. It hasn't just yet. It's just in the volatility. But right now, key support levels is the low of the day, $8.90. $8.70 are super important. And if both of those get broken through, $8 is the next support to watch. To the upside, to go ahead and look at this very closely, 11.26 is the beginning point to start building momentum here. And above that would be the high of the day, right after the bell of $12.89. We definitely want to see support above $12 to then break out back towards $15, right? That is a key level within the chart of rejection and a key level of support when it was going up, key level of rejection when it's going down, and same thing here. This is a key level of support when it was going up, and it's going to be a key level support as it's going down if it bounces from it or it goes even lower, guys. This is a pivotal point in the chart. Definitely something to be watching. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Do you think the squeeze is over, or do you think it's just getting started, or the information that is showing no shorts have covered is delayed information? I look forward to seeing those thoughts and comments and discussion with you guys down below.